Okay.
Okay, so besides the RC transmitter, you can also use just a regular GamePad or joystick as a control. Mission Planner allows you to do RC overrides commands with a pad. So this is just connected through Bluetooth to the computer. It's charging right now, which is why it has this, but just to demonstrate, it can arm. Well, I guess it's already armed. It can disarm, and then it can arm, and then it can go forward. It can do back. And it can turn left and right, just like that. So let's get a better footage of that. I guess I gotta reverse the channels again. So there we go. So there you go.